Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about spring clamps. And some of you are thinking, what's a spring clamp? Think of it as an oversized clothespin with a little spring in it. So, and you've seen me use them in several videos, and especially out in the garden over on my other channel, Camp Hat Family Compound. But it's like, it's a spring and it clamps things together. They come small ones, as small as clothespins. They come in metal and plastic ones, different sizes. And I mean, some of them are big ones, and you use two hands to spring it on. You clamp it to hold the wood together. Generally, the metal ones have a rubber sleeve over the tip, so it doesn't mar the surface, whatever it is you're clamping together. I use those things a lot. I've bought the big bag of them from Harbor Freight. I bought individual ones from Harbor Freight. I bought individual ones from Home Depot, from Lowe's. Sometimes on the small metal ones, it depends who's having a sale at the time as to which one's cheaper. So yeah, I get stuff from all three stores for those. All right. So think about spring clamps and all the things you can and actually already do use them on, not realizing that they're called spring clamps. And there's a lot of really cool things on it. Now, one of the things, I didn't grab it in here because it just popped in my head just now, but you've seen me use setting up the indoor garden and the outdoor garden, where I put have those little green clamps that go on the post to hold the plant to the post. Those are spring clamps too. Alrighty, so stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill every day and get ready for the indoor garden challenge coming up next year, because what's in the store right now is really bad.